Hello everyone, welcome back into my new video. In this video you will learn how to make money from home online. So it is very easy way to make money from home, and don't go anywhere. Just keep watching this video and follow all of the structures that you can see in my video. So it is very simple to make money from your home to make better your life. So as you can see, here is my YouTube channel. At first of all, please subscribe my YouTube channel. After that, you can follow my all structures about this video, how to make money from your home, and don't go anywhere and just keep watching this video. So as you can see, here is my email that I have. Maybe here is the all here are the all bits. As you can see, making money about an hour, it gives you $30 and $8, $10 and $1 in 1 hour. So here are all bits that you can receive into your email address. So what to do? As you can see, it is let me show you what is the site name that you can make your profile as a better get a job. So me go to the search bar, type here freelancer .com, but I have already logged it into freelancer, so just do it this action and register in the site. And also here have the dashboard. It gives you the dashboard and also the transaction, account number, bank number. So here is, from here you can post a project if you want. If you have any project to give to someone, just put it from here. Here is my here is my dashboard that I have applied for making money. So here are all of things that you need about you have to know about the freelancer. Yes, here is to help you get started. We would like to offer you a free upgrade to our Plus membership for these days, valued at $9.95 USD. You will receive these great benefits. So here is the 100 bits for per month, bet on more projects, 80 skills on your profile, apply for more projects across multiple. Here is that you can see. Here is that I have set up my account 60%. Here is the past US English exam that I have. It is the level 1 that I have passed it. So here, from here you can see the projects. Here is my projects that I have uploaded for getting more money. So maybe it takes sometimes. Here is write something for me. Bits. It has 36 bits, and my bit 23 hero, average bit 38. So I said that I want to work for 23 hero in 1 hour. Bit handed 2 weeks ago that I have bidded 2 weeks ago on this project. Write something for me, fantasy story. Copy information from some website. Just it's about copying. It has 13 bits for 277 hero. Here as it's about 2 weeks ago. Current work from here. Tag skill test, past work, active contest, all of them is here. So what to do to get a notification about all projects? Here from here you can see the all projects that you can bid, and you can do it this job from your home. Just follow this all structures. If you didn't, if you can't make a freelancer way to log in freelancer, give me a comment. I will log in, try again to help you how to enjoy the freelancer. So here is write a blog post. It is for 1 hour $9. Yeah, and also it's open 2 days ago. 10% bets on this project. So here is need to add business data. I need a content writer. In this project, someone need to a content writer. In 1 hour, they will give you $21. Yes, here is, and also PDF to Word editable urgent. It is 350 plus $990. Yeah, and on this project 6 bets the person. Yeah, here is the content writer, an article needed on technology. So here the pure hours, it is the $2 and pure hour. Article needed on technology that attracts links. So maybe if you don't like this all projects, just skip this. And also when you are going to create a freelancer to enjoy this, just skills. You must have the short stories, screenwriting, English, UK, English, US, creative writing, online writing that I have. Yeah, that I have. These are my all skills that I have. It's your all skills. After that, you are able to receive like these projects on your freelancer. So here is the English to Spanish translation. Yeah, here is copywriter for email marketing, and I want to write a report, a PC for remote control. Here are all the cost that you have earned in your home. So I'm trying to make one of the best projects on my website, and also you can receive the all projects alerts on your email that I have received all. Yeah, here are the lots of projects and contents matching your profile and skills. It matches with your profile skills. Yeah, here is, you will receive in this like this. Female English teacher required that record videos. It is online job that you are going to make a video online. Yes, here is editing of my book. Yes, and also here is the Google typing, go to department near to. So maybe I need to update my CV. Yeah, here is the person who wants to update your CV. Maybe I want to bet on that project. So here is, yes, 5% bets on that project. I need to update my CV from my current CV. Someone uploaded your CV, they want to reappear, and yes, this is a qualified project. To bid on this project, you need to have at least 1 5-star review on project, some of the same skills, or have passed the US English exam. Yeah, but you must do it at first of all the English level exam, but I have not passed in English exam. Maybe go back here. I want to bid another project. Need a copywriter and trim emails from a template for me. Yeah, let's check out for this. mm, what about the cost? Yeah, it is $10 per hour, so I have to do this job in 3 hours, and 1 hours it gives me $10. Yeah, 30% bets on that project. So here is bid on project. Yes, I want to bid on that. Yeah, Bitcoin. Do not bid on project that asks to exchange money, or yeah, it is Bitcoin. Maybe paid to you $20 deliver in 1 day. Freelancer, you are paid $25. Expert, I wanna bid on this in $3. Joe, no, skip on that. So it is like this. If you have just uh, check out your skills on your appearance, what skills do you have in your appearance? After that, you can do it this all action and job from your home. Don't go anywhere. So if you have any question, if you want to how to register on freelancer, just give me a comment. I will answer to your comment. And don't forget that subscribe my YouTube channel. Hope to see you into my next video.